Alright, so we're gonna get to installing front coils finally on the GTI. They're fucking having these bitches for damn like fucking a month almost. Been going back and forth for Rev 9. They keep on sending me the wrong shit over and over and over again. Basically, I need you know what I'm saying, with Rev 9, this is what I don't recommend Rev 9. I'm not gonna lie, if you like, you might as well go Godspeed, BC, anything else besides Rev 9. But so for the lower mounts, these are basically made for a normal Golf non-GTI. So the knuckle size on a normal Golf is like 49.5 millimeters or some shit. I think the GTI is like 55 or 54.5. So originally sent me where, I don't even know where I put them. Actually, over here, I think. Originally sent me these ones, right? Basically same shit as these. I'm like, okay, cool. Try to get them in, they didn't fit. So I went ahead, ordered these, literally same exact size, right? So I call them up, I'm like, yo, like, what's going on? Like, y'all keep on sending me shit that don't fit, basically, you know? So I told them this is what the kit was missing the whole time. Literally, an adapter sleeve. Literally an adapter sleeve to take it from 49.5 to like 54.5 or whatever. Fuck. So I'm praying it fits. I like lined it up with the Lawrence Springs I had in the car before, took them out. I ended up, so when I was trying to install them, you know, I didn't want to, these were already hard as hell to get out, like hard as hell. So what I did, I got the old race lens from the Passat here. Oh shit. Got the old race lines from the Passat here, and I threw them into the GTI for now, which I kind of regret, you know, kind of fucked up the fender a little bit, but it's all right, you know. I always could just buy a new one. It's not even too noticeable. Make sure that right now. Just right here, but honestly, it's not even too noticeable. But let's just say, it's taking a turn to like 80, like fucking like 8K spring rates or some shit. 8K, like 5K spring rate. Might have bottomed out. While I had the 15Ks in the rear. No, I didn't even have the 15Ks in the rear at the time, I don't think. Yeah, no. But here, yeah, I know somebody asked me in the last video as well what springs I went with, or a spring rate. So these are 6-inch 15K like MOOKEEH. I don't even know how to fucking say this shit. Springs. Honestly, I would rather go with these than going with Swifts. Swifts is like 3 times the price for the same shit, basically. But got these off eBay. I think they're like, damn, I forgot how much they are per set, but it's way cheaper than a Swift. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these in the car. Oh yeah, also, this is what helped me get the Lawrence or the Bilstein shocks out. This strut sparter here is a fucking truth, bro. Like, got this shit out so easy. And I did the 2x4 method because at first, you know, I'm using a normal strut sparter, not being able for it to drop out. Nothing was working. Got this shit 2x4 method, dropped out instantly. With that, took out axle, everything, could not get that shit to drop. But I definitely recommend this one. I'll try to link it in the description if I can. It's hot as fuck today too, bruh. What is it, 88 right now? Probably feel like 90 or some shit. Just got off work like an hour ago, instantly had to hop on 30 shits on. I'm definitely have to go down in tire size. I'm thinking 215/35 or low-key 205/40 or some shit like that. I want to get wheels, but you know, it's daily, bruh. Just get the curb rash and everything fixed and shit. Just leave it like that for a while, and then winter, throw these tires back on, raise it back up. For the sway bar end length, it's gonna be 18 mil. And for the lower bolt holding or bolted on the back of the knuckle, that's an 18 as well. And this is I forgot what triple square it is, but a little trick for that. I mean, I got triple squares and everything, but you can use a 3/8 extension. Fits in there perfectly. Let's put a ratchet on the other side to counter hold it. Sweater in there. I use this one this time because I didn't need that one this time. Drop right out. Get that shit to drop out. Then come up top to the top hat. Then there's gonna be a little clip back here. Pull that out. Pull that out. Put that somewhere you're not gonna forget it. Then, literally, pull it from underneath this little styrofoam piece, lift up, and then take out your 13s, drop your coil, and put your new one in. Alright, so, seem like that's gonna solve a problem low key. I don't know, it's in there. It's in there with the adapter sleeve. Still moves, but the adapter sleeve's in there pretty snug and it's still sprayed right now. So, about to just get it. About to just get it lined back up with the top hat and see. Key, kind of fix the fender a little bit. Low key. Low key. It was just a piece back here sticking out. Hammered that shit out, and then I guess put it dent out a little bit. But so what I had to do, I had to take the dampener out. I might end up cutting this though one day, just because, you know, it's just bottoming out on that shit. So I had to take the dampener out to get swelled up. But seems like that adapter was a problem the whole time. Well, no preload time. That shit raised it up. How did it go from this to this and it raised it up? Like how? Fuck it. No preload time. Bad decision time. I gotta get, I actually got some sitting in the garage, some adjustable sway bar end links. I got some sitting in the garage I could throw in here though. But let's get this height right for now. All right, dropped it a little bit more. No preload, I mean, nothing too crazy. Let's see. All right, bruh, like, look like we finna have to go mega no fucking preload fucking, bro, cause this shit way too high. I mean, that's slightly better, but we gotta go at least a hair, bro, at least. All right, let's see. This shit only got like half inch more of fucking adjustment left before it's maxed out. So let's fucking see, bro. Oh. Fuck it, that's good enough. Cause that bitch is finna be rubbing like a motherfucker, but fuck it. That's decent enough for now until I get to 215s and just max that shit the fuck out. Take the dampener off. Oh yeah, fucking 10 out of 10 quality from Rev 9, bro. Third fucking stud that broke so far. 2 of them just fell on this side, 1 broke on the other side. Oh yeah, I love Rev 9, bro. Like I 1000% recommend this bullshit. I definitely need adjustable sway bar end links or just to get rid of them completely. No, the fucking angle of that shit is fucking horrible. And it's hitting the fucking frame. I guess we'll see if we gotta take that shit out in a minute. Hopefully not, man. I might move like a coat. On the fucking test drive, everything's smooth so far. I'm about to check engine light, catless shit. Everything's smooth so far. Only thing is the sway bar end link on the passenger side. I think I'm gonna have to put my other ones for my Godspeed in here or order adjustable ones for this car. Besides that, it's driving smooth. You gotta fucking get that shit aligned now. Maybe do an eyeball alignment, who knows? But it's driving smooth so far, bro. Oh yeah, and then for y'all that don't know, it is stage 2 EQT. Hold on. It is stage 2 EQT. fucking driveway here is chopped. Oh no, we good, bruh. Not hearing no rubbing on turns no more yet either. Tilt probably help for sure. Oh hell no. Let's see what that bit looking like outside the car. Low key and fucking same, but like slightly fucking lower, bruh. No, I need to get the fucking 215s, max these bitches out, and let's go finish the lip. I mean, it do look a lot better now. That shit was raked as fuck before. It's almost a little bit even. Gotta go like maybe a half inch lower in the front to get that shit even. But besides that, that shit looking decent for now. Still gotta put the fucking roof wrap on too. This fucking way is chopped as fuck. Damn. See. Oh no, we good. My shit might be low, cheddar. My shit might be low, cheddar. That bitch probably three reeling like motherfucker right now. We super good though. Let's see what that bitch talking about though. Let's see what that bitch talking about though. Talking about. Let's see what that bitch talking about. Can't even open up this up yet. Hold on. Damn! Oh my god. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you got a GTI, EQT stage 2 is way more worth it, bro, than the stock Cobb tunes. Them shits, bro, is... I mean, they good for the moment, but god damn, this bitch really opened it up, bro. Really give it that full fucking potential. God damn. Hold on, let's see what that bitch about. Say a little second gear pull. Is that 12? Good body.
I am coming for it all. Molly my bitch. 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 Molly my bitch.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I don't know. I might throw the little roof rep segment in this bitch later on, though. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I might make that into a separate video, though. I don't know, though. This bitch driving good, though, so fuck. We gonna fucking see. The only thing that is sketchy, bro, is that fucking sway bar end link, bro. Besides that, everything else, Gucci, bro. I really should have went BC Extreme Lows, but fuck it. These will do for now.